Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about income document, how we can set up the income document in Business Central, how you can create a purchase invoice, how we can create a document journal, and how we can check this document that was already posted. So let's go to Business Center and check how we can do this and how we can set up. Okay, let's go first for the setup. So we have here the income document setup. Basically, what the user need to define here. If you want to post the income documents via journal, what is the journal and what is the batch that you use for that, and if it's necessary to require approval. So basically here we already have the setup, but if you want to change, you can click here and you can change a different journal that you want to upload this document, and also a different okay, so the setup here it's okay, so we will just close and go to the upcome document. Okay, let's go to income documents. Here I have two documents. What I will do first, I will post this via purchase invoice, and the second we will use the journal just to see the difference, right? So here I already received the document from this supplier, Fabricant, and what I will do based on this, I will create a manual post. So okay, so I select this, I will click in create because it's already released, and then here I have my options. In this case I will select purchase invoice and I will click OK. Okay, so here what the user need to do, you can see that the document is attached, and what I need to do is specify what is the supplier. Let's put Fabricant. Okay, all the data will come, and then we will define what is the vendor invoice number. In this case I will put 100. Then we need to select here what is the item that we will use. In this case I will put this London share blue. I will put 2. Okay. Okay. In this case here, what we will do, let's just open and check this value. Okay, it takes some time. Here, let's just check the value. Okay, in this case it's not 2 but it's 80 and the value is 50. So let's put the same information here. Okay, the value now it's okay. So let's release and post. Okay, let's go and see. Okay, this is already posted. And what you can see here that I have my invoice attached. Okay, the value is okay, and also if we navigate and we go to vendor ledger entry, for example, you can see that I also can see here the document attached. Okay, so let's go back. And then what we will do now is post this other document via journal. So here basically what we will do is create manually, and then we will say that we will do via journal. Okay, so then you can see here that the system already prepared for you. So this is my date. This is the number. I will keep the same. He instead of account, I will post this for the supplier. Come, okay. And what I will do here is specify the value. And select in this case one account. In this case he will be negative because I select the supplier, and then here we can go and select one account. I will select utility expenses. Maybe miscellaneous expense. Okay. Okay. And then post it. Okay. If you have any doubt about how this process works, if you want to check something, please let me know. Subscribe my channel. What you can do here also is check this in the supplier and see this posting. So let's go to the vendor. My vendor is Fabricant, so let's go here and Control F7 just to check, and then you can see here this is my line, and then you can see here the invoice that was attached. Okay, thank you.